It's the Wickershire Project. Third video, number 3 coming in. I just couldn't wait. I got super excited. Wood burning, wood etching. Oh, it's behind. It's getting crap out of me. You never know. I'm out in the middle of the woods here. Those 30 acres of just nothing. Anything could be behind me. Gotta be prepared for that stuff. So I'm making my hands smell like smoke. I really should have done that outside and wore gloves. This is an interactive video. It's at the very end. I'm going to ask you guys a question, and I depend on you to help me make my content better and to help somebody else that is involved, or people that will be involved, or someone that is involved. I don't know what I'm saying. But anyways, I sketched out the recipient's name. It looks reasonable, not perfect, but again, it's handcrafted, so. I'm just freehanding it. It's not going to be perfect, but it is going to be unique. It's all right. The rusty pepper. Here's the final result. A little bit of wood burning. And, I gotta figure out a saying. What can we put on the back of here? So the rusty pepper, should it be grow your food, or I am the law? What I say, go. I can't put too many words on here, you know, but I gotta figure out something for Shedwars. So in the comments below, give me some ideas. Let me know what you guys want to see burned into here. That'd be really cool for Rusty Pepper. She's a Shedwar judge. So, yeah, cool. I'm going to give this a light sand down and clean it up a little bit. And should be good.